Just put some pepper sauce in. A professional plumber showed me this trick. After I learned this, I never had this problem at home again. So to start, let's put about 10 ounces of water in a container. Just regular tap water at room temperature. After that, let's also need a lime. Cut the lime in half and then squeeze the juice into the container. The citric acid from the lime is crucial for the recipe. In the end, I'll show you exactly how and where to use it in order to get the best results. After squeezing the lime, time to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Then let's mix well. Next, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. The one I'm using is white vinegar, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. And finally, just add pepper sauce. Add 3 tablespoons and then mix well. And folks, I never had that problem in my house again after I started using this. It's extremely useful and very effective. Even my neighbors thank me for showing them this hack. Pepper has a great antioxidant power, which prevents the breeding of certain insects, like roaches and mosquitoes. This hack is simply amazing. This helped me a lot here at home, and I'm sure it can also help you too. So, after mixing well, the recipe will be ready. All you're gonna do now is transfer the entire mixture to a spray bottle, making application much easier. If you don't have a spray bottle at home, you can also use a plastic bottle with a hole in the cap. Now let's get to the bathroom so I can show you how to use it. All you need to do is apply the mixture into the drains of your bathroom. I imagine you're curious at this point, wondering, why would I do that? Folks, with this mixture we just made, you'll be able to get rid of roaches and those bathroom gnats once for all. That's right. Those insects, despite being harmless, bother so many people. And it's no use closing the windows, because what many people don't know is that they come from the drains. Even washing the bathroom very well won't be enough, because you need to go directly where they breed. And just by applying the simple mixture we just made, you'll never see them in your house again. And if you prefer, you can also apply it to all drains in your house, like in the kitchen, the yard, and other places. This one, for example, was full of roaches. They basically lived here. And now I don't have that problem anymore, all thanks to this super powerful mixture. But you should always apply it to the bathroom drains at least, because that's where those insects are most concentrated. They need moist, dark spots so they can breathe freely. I bet you'll be surprised by the results this hack brings. Keep all insects, such as roaches, gnats, and flies at bay starting today.